kitchen adventure. This afternoon, we are going to make a breaded chicken. Now our chicken is ready. We are going to marinate it. We will add some salt. We will add some black pepper. We will add some lemon juice. Olive oil. And we will add some milk. I use almond milk, but any milk can do. We will marinate at least 30 minutes before cooking. We will cover and then we will put it in the fridge. to prepare our coating, we need 2 eggs. We will beat the 2 eggs. Then we will mix the grated Parmesan cheese and the breadcrumbs. I used panko breadcrumbs. To have fresh parsley leaves, you can add also, but during this time we don't have it, so I didn't put anything. Here is our marinated chicken breast now. We will add the 2 beaten eggs and 2 marinated chicken. Now we will coat it with the Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. We will do like this.
Look, should we go and see? Come.
Repeat the process until the chicken breast is done. Our breaded chicken is ready for cooking. Instead of frying, we will just bake it. We will just put a little bit of oil, and then we will put our breaded chicken and we will put it in the oven, and that's it. to the other side. Now our breaded chicken is ready. This is our dinner for today. We eat it with quinoa salad and avocado. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.